Yes! Good morning, Starshine. The Earth says hello.
You're hurting the people that love you. No, stop, please. Please stop.
Don't stop. Get it, get it.
No. Come on. Put it in the trash.
Конечно, ее дело, но она на одной тележке стоит на пятерочке, а на второй на магните. Видимо, делает выбор.
Hello, it's me.
Lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Max, che, mira, Max, vamos a bañarnos.
Why are you up?
I gotta go to the bathroom real bad with spicy diarrhea.
I guess my kids found the puppy pens. Who are you?
It's on TikTok where you do this, you stretch, and then.
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it all this.
Go.
Here we go, here we go, see what the room.
Feeding time. She really likes her dog food. She's got some unusual eating habits.
Great manners.
Yeah.
Come here, you. She's just like, no.
Are you stuck? Heidi.
It back to his feet. Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh, the 20-bar attack from out of nowhere. I think John Cena.
What is wrong with my dog eating his breakfast in the splooge position?
Marlon, come on. Come on.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Lulu, where's your ball? Where's your ball? Get it. Get your ball. Oh, how do you get that ball?
Oh.
Huh?
Leave it. Se cayó.
My dog's broken.
What the fuck is going on here? Peanut! Peanut! What are you doing to him?
We have Pepper not appreciating.
Pendeja.
Touching me. She's touching me. I'm not touching you. You're touching me. Not touching. Touching me. It's
Creepy.
Buggy. No.
Again, this dog up in the tree eating apples. Like, why?
He's gonna break his legs.
Have a rough day, O'Haley. Excuse you, diva much?
얌이.
Pinapatayan.
Es radical.
I'm gonna have to just bust this. It's already cracked. To get your head out of there.
No me sé portar bien.
Si te sabes portar bien, nada más pórtate bien.
No puedo.
Whoopee! Hi, baby! Oh my
Conan defendiéndome de una pluma.
Él es rebelde.
¿Ella es rebelde?
Ella es rebelde. Yo no la veo problemática, la veo rebelde.
Oye,
Contestona.
He knew. He fucked up.
Oh, Fate.
Carol, it's time to weigh you. Carol. Carol. What are you doing?
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Viste que se vengan a capacitar, era insistir continuamente.
Eva, ay, ¿qué pasó, gordo?
Where's Tucker? Hey, Tuck, hey. Can't go into the water bowl, honey. Come on. Come on. Oh, this is not good. Okay. Oh, oh, oh!
Leave me alone, please leave me alone. Leave me alone, please leave me alone.
아니, 그거 뭐야?
It comfy yet? No!
Someone took a bite out of my grilled cheese, and I'm not saying it was you, but was it you?
I have to jump in this car and turn you every which way but loose. Oh shit! Best friend Nisa was trying to jump me!
Well, you've gotten yourself into quite a predicament, haven't you, Charles? Huh?
The stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, cause I found a stick, and I'm using it today. I got a stick, got a stick.
What are you looking like that for? What's wrong with you? Mardy?
Can I see your ear?
He was indeed, Ben. He fought a long battle.
There's a dog. He's escaping. He's escaping. Oh, he made it. Oh no.
Go, Baba. Oi, oi.
Seriously?
Good boy.
Hey, shoot him!
Go get him, Moogie Mookster.
Hey. What is happening?
Get to safety.
Don't tell her.
晃晃，等我赚钱了，我给你换床；等我发工资了，我给你换张床。
Oh God! I'll never make it this time! This is the end!
Paputiin mo yan ha, uniform ko yan. O sige, very good.
Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Yeah, okay. Good enough.
Who's a good girl?
This is how I come upstairs to him sleep on the couch.
Mama.
No.
Hello. Hello, Jackie. You look nice.
He's a big, big boy. He's a very happy boy. He's a very sleepy boy and a very pretty boy. He's a good, good boy, but he's all of his.
Stay. Mark. Nelly.
I got Nancy. Come on, Nancy.
Just eat it. House.
Oh.
Get up out my face. You just licked your own ass. Oh! Oh! Oh!
No, don't. Tallulah.